Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we have already learned about how to divide a decimal number with a whole number. In this video, we'll have a look on how to divide a decimal number by another decimal number. So let's get started. Here we have our first example 0.0567 divided by 0.3. Here 0.0567 is a dividend and 0.3 is a divisor. First we have to write like this 0.0567 by 0.3. Now we have to make the divisor 0.3 as a whole number. Let us see how to convert 0.3 as a whole number. See, in the 0.3 decimal point after only one digit is there, right? So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the number 10 so that 0.3 becomes a whole number. Now let us multiply. See, 0.0567 into 10 by 0.3 into 10. When we are multiplying a decimal number with 10, the decimal point moves one place to the right. So 0.0567 becomes 0.567. Okay. By here also the decimal point moves one place to the right. Now 0.3 becomes 3. Now the divisor is the whole number. Now let us divide 0.567 with the whole number 3. Here in the dividend 0.567, first we have 0. So in the quotient also we need to write 0. Okay, here after 0 decimal point is there. So in the quotient also we need to put the decimal point. Now consider 5. 3 ones are 3. Right? 5 minus 3 is 2. Now down the number 6. 3 8s are 24. So write 8 here. 24 here. 26 minus 24 is 2. Now down the number 7. 3 9s are 27, right? So write 9 here, 27 here. 27 minus 27 is 0. So the quotient is 0.189. Right here. 0.189. Okay. Now let us go to another example. Here we have 3.916 divided by 0.04. First we have to write like this 3.916 by 0.04. Okay. Now we have to make 0.04 as a whole number. In 0.04 decimal point after how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the number 100. So multiply 3.916 into 100 by 0.04 into 100. When a decimal number is multiplied by 100, the decimal point moves 2 places to the right. So 3.916 becomes 391.6. By here also the decimal point moves 2 places to the right. So 0.04 becomes 4. Now the divisor is a whole number. Now let us divide 391.6 with 4. Okay, here we have first number is 3. and it is less than the divisor 4. So take 39. 4 9s are 36, right? So write 9 there and 36 here. 39 minus 36 is 3. Okay, now down the number 1. 4 7s are 28. So write 7 here, 28 here. 31 minus 28 is 3. Here 1 after decimal point is there. So in the quotient also we need to put the decimal point. Now down the number 6. 4 9s are 36, right? So write 9 here, 36 here. 36 minus 36 is 0. Now the quotient is 97.9. So write here 97.9. Let us go to last example. Here we have 0.0462 divided by 0.021. Okay, first we write like this, 0.0462 by 0.021. Now we have to make 0.021 as a whole number. Here decimal point after 3 digits are there. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the number 1000. So let us multiply. 0.0462 into 1000 by 0.021 into 1000. When a decimal is multiplied by 1000, the decimal point moves 3 places to the right. So 0.0462 becomes 46.2. By here also the decimal point moves 3 places to the right. So 0.021 becomes 21. Now the divisor is a whole number. Let us divide 46.2 with 21. Okay, here in the 46.2 we have first 4 and it is less than 21. So consider 46. 21 2s are 42, right? So write 2 here, 42 here. 46 minus 42 is 4. Here in the dividend 46 after decimal point is there. So in the quotient also we need to put the decimal. Now down the number 2. Again 21 2s are 42, right? So write 2 here, 42 here. 42 minus 42 is 0. Now the quotient is 2.2. So write here 2.2. In this way we can divide a decimal number by another decimal number. I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.